Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use threads. So what is a thread? So a thread is a lightweight process that allows multiple tasks to run concurrently within a program. Also, each thread operates independently. However, it shares resources with other threads, enabling efficient multitasking. So, it allows developers to execute parallel operations. For example, handling multiple user inputs, processing data simultaneously, or optimizing performance in complex applications. So I'm going to teach you guys about one simple project today using threads. So let's hop right to it. So what we'll do first is delete this as usual. Okay? Then next we'll just it says package Java 10 public class. Let's just make it class Java 10. Actually, no, let's make it number printer or something. Wait. Okay. Now we'll do extends thread over here. Extends thread. We'll make this uppercase. And we'll put a space in between here. And okay. There we go. And the next step will be to go here and delete this line. Okay. We'll go and create this. We'll type private. And then after private, we're going to type int start. Okay. Now after that, we'll put a gap in between. Then we'll type number printer int. Oops, wait, let me uppercase this. And then we'll do int start. Then we'll do this. Now our next step would be to do this dot start equals start. Okay. Now next we'll just carry these back here. Oops, sorry. Let me fix this for a second. So you wanna put this dash in number 8. In line number 8 below the letter N. Okay, now that they're matching up. Okay, now we match that up. Now let's go to the next step. Next, we'll want to skip line 9 and go to line 10. Okay? Wait, let me fix this. Okay, now our next step would be to do public. Oops, I wrote it in line 9. We need to do it in line 10, actually. Sorry about that. We'll do public void run. And then we'll put parentheses around here. And then we'll put this curly brace around it. Now we'll do for int I equals start semicolon I is less than start plus 5 semicolon I plus plus. Now we'll put a curly brace there. And okay. Now we'll go down here and we'll go to in like this line here and type system dot out dot print ln, and then after that we'll do thread dot current thread, then we'll put this here, and then we'll do dot get name. Let me fix that. Okay. And then we'll do plus, then we'll do this, and then we'll do minus greater than symbol, and then we'll do plus I. Okay, then we'll put this here. Now we'll go here and let me delete this here. Okay, now we'll do try, and then we'll do thread dot sleep, and then we'll do 500 here, and then we'll put this here, then we'll do catch interrupted. Wait, so let me check the spelling. Okay, now after that we'll do exception. E. And then we will go here, and then we'll do E dot print stack trace. Then we'll do this, and then do this here, and then we'll put this here. Okay. Then after that, we'll go down to line 14. Put this in the F. And then we'll go back to line 15 and bring this back a bit to the letter P. Let's go up and check if it's lined up properly, okay? And then in line 16, we'll just put it over here. And then we'll skip this part and go to line 18. Here we'll do public class Java 10th. And then we'll do this here. We'll put this over here. Okay. Then we'll do public static void main string wait a minute args. Then we'll do this. And we'll go here and put this here. And now we'll type thread T1 equals new number printer. And then we'll put brackets around it and put 1. Now we'll put a semicolon there. Now we'll just copy this, paste this down here, and change this number to 10. Okay? Now, instead of naming it T1, we'll rename it to T2. Now we'll do T1 dot start. Okay. Now we'll copy this here and paste this here. Now instead we'll name it T2 start. And then that's it. So that's all we need to do. Now let me select all of this or do Control A, right click, run as one Java application. Click OK. So as you see, it just like prints like 1 to 10, like, so the +5 is like, you see this started at 10, right? So the first thread will like go from 10 to +5. So 10 is the first string and then 14 is the fifth string. So same with number 10. Like same for number 1. So for number 1, like 1 is the first string. So 5 will be the fifth string to print. So let me show you if I put 10 instead. And let's do 15 for this one. And let's put 20 here. Now let me run the code and show you. So this will keep going until the 10th string. Okay? So the thread 1 will be from 20 to 29, which is 10 in total. And for the thread 0, it's from 15 to 24, which also has a range of 10. So threads are like basically reviewing, like it's two like a device that like makes two codes run at the same time. So it makes two codes function at the same time. So that's it for today's lesson about threads. If you enjoyed this lesson, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends for more educational videos about coding and much more. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye.